If you're a notary loan signing agent or thinking about becoming a notary loan signing agent, you're going to want to read this headline with me. The Fed has officially lowered their Fed fund rate by 0.5%. This is huge. I don't think you need a degree in economics to realize interest rates are going to be even lower. So I want to break all this down for you in crystal clear so you can see the refinance boom that is on the horizon. So let's talk about first things first. The Fed fund rate. What's that mean in real time? That means home equity line of credits interest rates are going to go down immediately. And that means adjustable rate mortgage interest rates are going to go down immediately. And the 30-year fixed will most likely follow suit. So let's talk about a few things to get you excited about what's gonna happen. So what's currently happened is interest rates have already lowered and you've been seeing a blip in refinance applications going up. So why is this going down? Well, what you gotta understand is over the course of the last 2.5 years, there has been roughly 6 to 8 million homes sold. As you can see by this National Association of Realtors graph, we had 4.5 million homes sold in 2022. We have 4.3 million homes sold in 2023. And we have roughly 2 million homes sold in 2024. As you can see, that's the annualized number of 4 million projected by the NAR. Now, you can see the actual data of roughly 6 to 8 million homes sold in the past 2.5 years. But now let's overlay the graphic of interest rates over 2.5 years. This is an interest rate chart that is actually given out by the Federal Reserve themselves. This is the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis that is showing you the graph over 2.5 years. So let's look at this carefully. Over the past 2.5 years, or the 6 to 8 million homeowners who've bought homes, they have interest rates above 6%. Okay, but what I want you to look at right now is the people who bought homes above 7%. So I'm gonna put a little highlight over that. Those people who bought over 7% in the past 2.5 years are the ones who are actually refinancing right now. So if you're currently a notary signing agent, you're like, Mark, I'm noticing an uptick in refinances. Well, that's because the people who bought above 7 are now refinancing because as I make this video, interest rates are 6.1%. So as the time of I make this video, interest rates are 6.1%. So everyone who has 7 is now refinancing. But here's where the magic's gonna happen. As interest rates are trending down, I'm gonna show you another graph of interest rates solely over the past 90 days. You can see the direction of where interest rates are going. Now, we're currently at low 6s, but because the Fed just officially cut the rate, you can anticipate that rates are gonna go below 6. Look at the center part of this graph that I'm highlighting right now. There are millions and millions of homeowners in America who have bought between 6 and 7%. So again, if interest rates dip below 6, by the way, we're at 6.1 at the time of this filming. They will creep down to 5 3/4, 5.5, and low 5s. When that happens, this huge highlighted section of the millions, and I say multi-millions of Americans who have interest rates at 6 to 7% will refinance. There will be a shortage of signing agents. By the way, there is not millions of notaries who can actually fill the assignments of these millions of homeowners who are going to refinance. So I hope I have crystal clear painted a picture for you that over the next quarter, maybe 2 quarters, you're going to see millions of homeowners racing to refinance. And the question is, are you a notary signing agent yet? Are you going to take advantage of this massive storm of loan signings coming down the pike? So I am so excited for you because I just broke down through data. This is not me giving you a raw speech. The data has proven very specifically 6 to 8 million people bought homes. The Federal Fund Reserve is telling you straight up, those 2.5 years, interest rates have been between 6 and 8%. And as rates start dipping below that 6%, everyone's gonna race to refinance. This has not been a better time in the past 2.5 years than right now to become a notary signing agent. It is going to be a shortage. So are you gonna be on the sidelines saying, oh man, I wish I would have been a signing agent? Don't have that regret. you're watching this video, let that be a sign. The data's coming in. The Fed rates cut interest rates a half a point. And if you know anything about economics, they were expecting a 1/4 point cut. They did a full 0.5%. It's going to start tumbling, and what are you going to do about it? So don't sit on the sidelines any longer. Consider this video your sign. So click the link below to join a free masterclass held by me live on how you can get your very first $100 signing. So click the link below, join a free masterclass with me so I can teach you exactly how to be a notary signing agent today. Let's go.